Mark 7.5 centimeters at each end with the EPDM membrane previously adhered. Transfer the total measurement to the Rollgum Form strip. Cut the strip along the mark and round off the two bottom corners. Position the piece over the corner and mark its outline. Stir the Rollgum Primer thoroughly before each use during the installation. Apply the primer evenly. Check that the primer is dry by pressing with your finger. There should be no threads forming upon removal. Remove the protective film, either fully or partially. Adhere the Rollgum Form strip from the top. Carefully lower the strip down to the bottom angle. Mold the strip with your fingertips. Run the detail roller along the angle and contours. Apply pressure with the system roller over the entire surface. Next, we will show you the final mechanical fastening with the system bar. The maximum distance between fasteners is 20 centimeters. Apply a bead of Bond 007 sealant along all edges. To finish, smooth the bead gently without pressing using a spatula or a piece of EPDM.